basic concepts. First you understand the basic concepts. Okay. First one, line segment and ray. These concepts you already studied in 6th class. Okay. What is line? Line, no end points. Arrow mark showing that, meaning this line is extending both sides. Okay. No end points is there. Line segment means two end points, fixed length and two end points. Other we can say a portion of a line. Line segment is a portion of a, you cut out one portion. That is a line segment. Clear? Two end points, fixed length, but line no fixed length and both end extending. No end points. Ray meaning you cut out line, you will get a ray. Ray meaning one end point and other side is extending. Okay, one arrow mark. One end point and arrow mark. Okay, line segment, ray. Line, no end points, no fixed length. Line segment, two end point, fixed length. Ray, one end point and other end is going on extending, so no fixed length. Next, concurrent lines. What is concurrent lines? Concurrent lines meaning lines which are passing through one point. Okay, all lines are passing through a fixed point. Okay, this point, every line passing through this fixed point, these lines are called concurrent lines. This point is called a point of concurrency. Now, collinear points. Linear meaning straight. Co meaning pass. So, one line AB straight line. See, PQRSTU. See, these points are called collinear points. The points which are lying same straight line. One straight line, how many points? Two or more points are there. That points are called collinear points. When two lines intersect each other, then opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. These angles are same. Here A, then here also A. Here B, then here also B. Now you check it, children. This is a straight line. You know that when you will add two angles, this is called linear pair. Straight line angle is 180. When you will add these two angles, you will get 180. Like that, this also straight line. When you will add these two, this also 180 degree. And this is a straight line. When you will add these two angles, then also 180. Straight line angle is 180 degree. Okay. These are vertically opposite. These are linear pair, otherwise straight line angles. In a straight line angles making. Now, complementary angles. Complementary angles means when two angles you plus it, if the sum you are getting 90 degree, then we can say these two angles are complementary angles. What is the complementary angle of 20 degree? That means which angle you have to add with 20 so that you will get 90 degree. So straight away you subtract from 90, 20, what is the answer? 70 degree. Okay. Now you check it, 20 plus 70, that is 90 degree. So these two are called complementary angles. You want complementary angle of one and zero, you have to subtract from 90 degree. Now supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle, when two angles you plus it, you should get a 180. Then we can say that two angles are supplementary angles. You want a supplementary angle of 90 degree. What you have to do? You have to subtract from 180. You will get a supplementary angle. Okay, 90 degree you add it. You are getting 180 or not? Clear? Supplementary meaning subtract from 180. Complementary meaning subtract from 90 degree. You want a complement angle of one angle. Okay. Now adjacent angle. Very important concept. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles meaning, children, see, A, O, B, C. These two angles are saying adjacent angles. Why? Because see here, this angle and this angle. See, OB is common. Am I right? Both these two angles, OB arms common. Okay, one common arm and other two arms are opposite side of the common arm. Then we can say that two angles are adjacent angles. Clear? See here. Next, CODE. COD and DOE adjacent because OD is the common arm and other two arms are opposite side of the common arm. These angles are called adjacent angles. C and BOC, adjacent angle. Yes, these two are also adjacent because OC is the common arm and other two arms are opposite side of the common arm. Clear? Linear pair, already I told you, linear pair meaning in a straight line two angles are forming. Then you add these two angles, you will get a 180 degree. It is a straight line angle and these angles are telling linear pair. Okay, angles in a straight line. फिर angle around a point. Point around angle. When you add the angles, you will get a 360 degree. That is called complete angle. Suppose see, this three angle you add it, you will get a 360. See, around a point, this point around A, B, C, D, you will get a plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 degree. Angle around a point is 360. Right angle, everybody know. What is right angle? Right angle meaning vertical line with horizontal line. Square is the symbol, that is 90 degree. Okay, this is right angle. And angle, when angle forming, when two rays meeting in a point, two rays are meeting in a point, their angle forming. Okay, angle having two arms and one vertex. Clear? One vertex and two arm. Okay, two arm and one vertex. When these arms coming closer, then acute angle forming. Acute angle forming. When two arms, moving away, then obtuse angle forming. Okay, obtuse angle. I am running that I am writing, children. Obtuse angle. Now see, vertical line with the horizontal. The square we are giving the symbol, that is 90 degree. This is called a right angle. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Now reflex. Reflex meaning, see, this is straight line angle. See, from here to here 180 degree. How? In your geometry books you check it. One equipment is there or not, that you are calling D. Otherwise name is protractor. Protractor you can see 0 to 180 degree. That is meaning total 180 degree. See, till here how much? Here to here 180 degree and more than 180 degree. That is called a reflex angle. Okay, more than 180 degree is called a reflex angle. And point around the angle, just now I told that is complete angle. Because see, straight line, here you put one protractor D, and here also D you put then how much? Here to here also 180, 180 plus 180, here to here 180, here to here 180, total how much? 180 plus 180, 360 degree. Okay, so angle around a point equal to 360 degree. You add it, A, B, C, D angle. When you will add these 4 angles, you will get a 360 complete angle. This is called a complete angle. Angle around a point. Otherwise, that if you want a practical knowledge, you see the protractor, you put like this 2 protractors. So you know one protractor 180, this also 180, 180 plus 180, 360 degree. That you know very well about this concept. Okay, study well. You already studied in 6th class. Non-collinear means they are not at all lying on a same straight line. Flat surface is called plane. Point meaning no width and nothing, only locate the position.